Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute. Wednesday, the 13th of August, and we've got a weather front that's approaching. You can see some showers and thunderstorms from overnight moving across eastern Ohio, western New York, and western Pennsylvania, and we're going to put them in the forecast for today. Haven't had that in a while. There's also been some heavy rains in parts of the southeast. They've diminished a little bit during the overnight, but probably going to see another round firing up later today. The Storm Prediction Center, and we were musing about this last night on the Joe and Joe Weather Show podcast, which you can catch Sunday through Thursdays at 7:35 p.m. On YouTube. We were musing about the possibility whether the Storm Prediction Center would put up a marginal risk for isolated severe thunderstorms, and guess what? They've put up a marginal risk for isolated severe thunderstorms from northern Virginia and Maryland northeastward through much of eastern and southern Pennsylvania, all of New Jersey, the Hudson Valley, New York City, Long Island, and southern and central New England. So we'll be watching out for that possibility. We're going to get some storms, but again, as far as severe weather is concerned, we're thinking isolated in nature. Now, as far as rainfall is concerned, because we've gone a while where we haven't seen much in the way of rainfall, so that is actually beginning to make places abnormally dry, according to the drought monitor folks. But we are forecast to get anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to an inch, and because it's thunderstorms, we always know that it's always possible that you could wind up with double those amounts or even more if you get into a situation where thunderstorms are just taking their sweet time and moving slowly. We are going to see this frontal boundary stall out a bit and see how the European generates some storms today into the later today into this evening. And then again on Thursday, because we've got to wait for this high in southeastern Canada to build in, which it will. So we'll have another chance for storms tomorrow, and there might even be some isolated severe thunderstorms in the mix. Friday looks dry. The winds are going to turn to the north. Temperatures are going to be up in the low and even middle 90s today and lower 90s on Thursday. Friday will probably be in the upper 80s to around 90, but dew points could be a little bit lower, especially from New York City and northern New Jersey northward. And it looks like we're going to have a decent weekend without much in the way of complications, though there is a stronger weather front coming late on Sunday, and that is going to be the catalyst to turn probably what will be Hurricane Erin to the north and northeast and keep it offshore.